got this, right? Yes. Okay. Not loving how last week was at all, but it is a new week. I did reset, cool. It is a new week. We have got this. I'm on the 1 hour. That would also answer that. There we go. 1 minute chart. Let's go. Oh, let's mark out some valuable information. Right, let's get this week started. Sorry, I know I'm like a few minutes late. Disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. And if you have sent a message, just give me 5 minutes, please. I don't know why my multi-chat's being a brat. It did a download on Friday and it's now doing another update now. Why? Who knows, but there we go. Way to go. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now. Working. Working? There we go. We're working. Okay. We are good. We are good. We are good. I think. Point is, we are here. I think that's the main point, right? Main point is we are here. You must be joking. This one would have been a win. The one I was looking at the end of last week would have been a win. It's fine. Nothing you can do about that, right? Well, not right now. Ooh, so there's a lot of juicy liquidity sitting underneath, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. So I'm just marking out all of the potential points of interest with regards to liquidity sweeps. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, we good. We good? I hope. Is everything working like it should be? Seeming as last week it was just being difficult, lemon difficult. Honestly. Okay, and we are having a very nice steady climb up. Ooh, there's a lot of liquidity sitting up there. Noted. Cool. Here we go. VWAP is below. That looked like a pretty decent takeout, if you will. Now, is everything working according to how it normally is? Is it just being weird again? Hey guys! Julia, how long does it take me to become good at trading? I still don't think I am good at trading. I've been trading since April, so I'm still fairly new. Hey LP, how's it going? And Madden, hi. Duram, where am I? I'm in South Africa. Yeah, it is very rainy. Nice. Hey Frank, how's it going, by the way? There we go. But it's been raining the whole morning here in South Africa, so it's super cold. And well, no, I say super cold, I'm not in a jersey, so it's not that bad, because normally I'm a big baby. But at least I got my coffee, I've got my trades, things appear, let me not jinx it, but things appear to be working how we want them to for now. let's see. Last week was very much a red week. I did not enjoy last week at all. I'm hoping, I mean, there's some relatively equal lows in this area here. I'm just gonna make a little note there as well. There's clearly quite a bit of support around here. Let me check. Ooh, okay. Anyways. Let's see, what do we think is going to be happening today? So out of curiosity, let's do a big range. If we're going with market structure, we are very much bullish at the moment. Let me confirm. Let's check out the 15-minute. Hell yeah, bullish it is indeed. 1 hour. Yeah, well, definitely had the break there. Let me check lower down. Ignore all the X's. Like I said, last week was disgusting. I did not have a good trading week last week. Yeah, we had a higher low. And we are forming a higher high up here. Cool. I mean, we're not all the way up there, but I think it's safe to say we are pretty bearish for the moment. Oh my goodness. There we go. That's better. Oh, this actually would have been a goodie. Would it? Yes, it would. I mean, got VWAP over here as a confluence, as well as let's check the 3-5 minute. Stop loss could be a little bit lower. This would be better around there. That would be a better trade. Let's check this out now. Let's forward test this slightly. Let's see how this trade would have panned out. Oh. Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry. I see I've missed a bunch of messages. Hey Mike, thank you. Thanks for the good lucks. I'm hoping it's good. Sorry, I missed everything. I'm actually, can you see I'm zoned in. I really want this win. Hey Yesh, how's it going? Frank, I was gonna make a really bad joke. Hey Frank, how are you? How's it been? Do I do trading full time? Hey, hello there. How's it going? Okay, interesting-ish. Okay, Mike, you think so? Rushing volume Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay, but today, what do you think about today? It's trending. I love tech. Finally. Oh my gosh, check. I mean, let's see if it's gonna continue going up. This is the trade I saw as I hopped on. I was a bit too late to get in on it though, unfortunately, because this looks like it could very well be an amazing trade. Damn it. Let's see, if something forms here, I might be able to get back in on it. Just gonna pop this there. I just need confirmation. I'm just waiting. Oop. So, Mike, you are selling Monday, Tuesday, retrace Wednesday, potential news Thursday, Friday is a toss-up. Interesting. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Hey, guys. A bounce right off of VWAP, right? Green Emerald? So, like I said, unfortunately, this is a trade that I missed now. I just want to wait and see. I don't know if I'll get right back in on this because it might be a bit risky that I might want to come back down to VWAP again for a second time. No, I do not trade options. Once US markets open bearish. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna wait and see. I'm quite curious now to see if that's true. Oopsie, shushy, I'm fine. Hey, Trade Delicious, how's it going? How are you? Oh, I love tech. Oh no, which prop firm did you swap to? Yo, yo, how's it going? Interesting, okay. Oh, he is, he's clapping. What the dog doing? I don't know, he's hearing things. So it's raining and cold, so he's refusing to leave my side. Oh, I drew this like a chop. There we go. That's what it would look like. He refuses to then leave my side, which I'm not complaining about. And he thought he heard a noise. So let me check out this. What am I doing? I'm doing this. That's not what I'm doing. Let's wait for the coffee to kick in. Like I said, I would not call this an A+ setup because, I mean, VWAP is below. So if I move around there, that probably would be better. But then the risk of getting an entry is quite low. There we go. Man, okay. Well, I'm chuffed that I saw this. Let's see if it continues all the way up. If it does, you know, part of me is going to be super bummed, but it is what it is. David? No, I did not. Resend for me, please. Diego, you say short Y. Just, Mike, explain. Interesting. I'll double check, David, but no, I didn't get it from you. Sorry, not sure why it didn't come through. Mike, if it's true, I gotta buy you dinner. Wow. Coming in hot. I mean, I feel like I need to win a trade. Stupid. Got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. That took me a minute, but go on then. Can I say tuna? Yes, why? David, yeah, I'll double check. I'll see. What am I trading? I'm trading Nasdaq futures. Shelf is above. Let's see. 2 minutes. So far, it is respecting. Well, let's see. It might not now. I was about to say, so far, it's respecting the 50% of this fair value gap on the 5 minute, but is it? Let's see. Let's see if this was just a hectic bounce off of VWAP or if it's actually going to keep going up now. No, so I'm from South Africa. Mike, I think you should do it just because it'd be flipping funny. I'm here going, hey, stoop. Yep. Oh, hi live. Hey, do you know what's so funny? I'm having the same weather here. It's spring weather. But it's raining. Luckily it's not too cold, or else I nearly bought out the onesie for today's stream because I was like, I'm a little bit cold. But then I put this on, I was like, no, actually this is fine. This is fine. The onesie nearly came back out the cupboard. I was feeling a little bit cold. Damn, this wouldn't have tagged me in. Ah, that sucks. Oh well. I'm still kind of chuffed about this. Like I said, this is a really, really nice trade here. Unfortunately, I was a bit late, but it's fine. It is what it is. At least I saw it, and I'm forward testing, you know, when in doubt. You can always just say it's a lesson and you can be learning things, and you can always forward test. You can't see the chart? Are you on Shiraz? Are you on the vertical stream? That probably might be why. The vertical stream is obviously a little bit smaller. If you are on the vertical, just go hop onto YouTube. You'll see there's 2 streams. Oh, thanks for the new sub. Aw, thanks, Mike. Thank you, thank you. Yo, go have a good nap. You've got this, Mike. Hopefully I'll see you later. David? Yeah, Mike has a similar thought. It looks like it's preparing to potentially go bearish, but will it? Let's wait and see. Yeah, David, 100%. Let's see what happens now. Hey, Boom Banana. What up? Did you say hi earlier? If you did, I'm so sorry. I missed that. My bad. I apologize. Hey, Pawan, how's it going? Yeah, Shiraz, that's why. $5 says yes. Okay, let's see. Oh, thanks. You like my eyes? They are actually... This sounds weird, I don't know. They are actually different colors. Not like hectic, it's not like one is brown and one is blue. You know, one is just dark brown and the other one is hazel. It's not always so obvious. I don't know if it's lighting or you know, everyone has different theories about why eyes change color sometimes. Maybe just the lighting, who knows. But some days they just look brown, and other days the one actually does look really hazel, almost green, and the other one, I mean, just stays brown. Yeah. Abraham, this is Nasdaq futures. Lucifer, I saw that, and that's pretty funny. I'm not gonna lie, but it's fine. Yes, you might get married very soon. To who? Cool. Mohammed, right? Where's Solly? Where's Solly? Oh my gosh. Hello from South Carolina. Hi from South Africa. How are you? Oh, David, I think you could could potentially be wrong this time. And you know what is a bummer is that this would have been a winning trade. It didn't come far enough down to tag me in. Same with this one. I mean, it just didn't come far enough down to get me. I'm super chuffed about this trade though. Sorry, I know that's like a weird, but I'm really glad that I saw this. I know I'm not in it. I know that's obviously sucks, but I'm glad I saw it. I know that's a weird thing to be happy about, but it's nice to see the A+ setups. Oh, let's see. David, is this it? Alex, yes I do. I trade both London and New York session. Abraham, no, I do not trade Forex. And Boom Banana, you say it's gonna go up. Hey Michelle, how are you? Are you trading today? Shiraz, yeah, hop out of this, go onto my channel, and there should be 2 streams there. The one with the thumbnail is the horizontal one. I hope that helps. Sorry. You'll give it 1 or 2 more candles before you pay out. Nice, David. Let's see. I'm gonna be so bummed about this trade and that I was just too late spotting it. Man. What a boomer. Oh well. Top GG Top? Oh, hi. What up? Ooh, well done, Michelle. Whoop whoop, that's amazing. Hey D, what's up? Yes, so the music, if you guys want to check it out, the name of the music is in the description. So yeah, you guys are more than welcome to go have a look. Zay Travels, what time frame? This is the 1 minute time frame. I do... no, basically I trade the 1 minute. No, 100%. There's always more trades, right? Like I said, I'm happy about it. I mean, not the fact that I missed it, but I'm happy that I saw it and it was an A+ setup and I could get confirmation that A+ setups work. What's my favorite time frame? Alex Dean? I mean, probably 1. Probably the 1 minute, just because it's a little bit quicker and it keeps me on my toes, but I do like to get confirmations from the 5 minute. Yeah, I do really like the 5 minute confirmation. Highlight? And highlight, you know what that then means, right? You know what that means. Means I'm halfway to owing you guys part 2 of when I reach 5k. It's gonna be fun. I'm still waiting for now the rain to stop, and I think sardine season's now finished up this side, which means I can now book the shark cage dive experience again, and there'll hopefully be sharks, and then I can stick with my promise. You know, it's not that I didn't stick with it. Like I said, I have proof that I tried to go shark cage diving. I really did stick with my promise. It's just unfortunately there weren't any sharks, so I'm gonna have to go again. I think sardine season is now finished, or the sardine run is now done this side, so there should be more sharks. I'm gonna check it go. Nice, very nice. David. Where'd David go? Seeking success? Yes, I'm trading futures again, guys. If I missed any messages, I'm really sorry. Hey, Knight, what up? Really? ChatGPT just sorted you out? Hey, James, what up? Only true trader. Did you make it in time? Yeah, you did. Well, I mean, I haven't taken a trade yet. It missed me on this one, unfortunately. And I was a little bit too late for this trade, but I'm forward testing it. It looks like it would have been really, really good. I even moved it so that with the order block, my stop loss was below the 50%. See, I told you. Hey, David! Oh, flip. Thank you. Interesting night, really? Hey Cindy, how's it going? Right, only true trader. You know what? It's fine. It is what it is. I can't be upset over spilled milk. I probably will be, but it is fine. I want to quickly check something. If the bigger range is the way to go here. I don't know if it's going to come back down this far. Yeah, Nah, I don't think it's going to come back down this far. Also, I drew this like an absolute chop. There we go. I think this entry is just too low. I don't think it's going to come grab me for that. Let's zoom in on this a little bit more. Let's check this out. There's where I use the full range. Or... I mean, there's the full range. I could use the full range. The full range, though, I'm not 100% set on, but with how the charts were last week, I'm not trusting the smaller ranges. Maybe I should be trusting the smaller ranges. Sorry, last week crushed my confidence a little bit with regards to the charts and the candles, so it might take me a day to start believing in them again. I know that sounds weird. But again, I probably wouldn't have taken this one, although it would have been a win. There it is. Would have hit my TP, would have tagged me in beautifully there. And there is TP. Even if I'd moved this below the 50%, yeah, there. That would have been an awesome tag in TP. Oh well. Like I said, I think it might take me today to find my confidence again with regards to the market. Last week destroyed that a little bit, but this is where the mental discipline has to come in. Top GG top, you're in the South Coast. Aimsies, top GG top. KZN, whoop whoop. Oh, nice, nice. Thank you. Well done, top GG top. How did it go? Okay. Really? That's interesting, Knight. That's... That's very interesting. I guess it, yeah. I guess it does make sense. I think it just still messes with my brain a little bit. Okay. Mental discipline, right? Mental discipline is key. I must just get over myself. Just start practicing the trades. Little G, does anyone want to know their future? Okay. What am I trading? I'm trading Nasdaq futures. Oh, thanks for the new subs, by the way. And thank you. I even have little cowboy boot earrings on, by the way. I think they're really cute. David, is this what you were waiting for? Lil G, go ahead. I don't know if I thoroughly believe in that, but go for it. You have caught my curiosity. By the way, top GG, top, what car did you buy? Again, pure curiosity. Okay, David, let's see. Only true trader, so that's it, right? So that was the, I don't want to say debate, it wasn't really a debate, it was more like a question, if you will, on what is better, to have a lot of small R winning trades, but they are like constant, where you could get, I don't want to say 30 in a day because that sounds excessive, but you can have a lot in a day, or the larger R winning trades, well, larger R rate trade, you know what I'm saying, the bigger R's where you might lose more often and this might only be one winning trade a week, if yeah, which one is better? And apparently ChatGPT thinks the larger R's is the way to go. Okay. Boom Banana, I cannot complain. How's your day, Boom? How's it been going? Do I play Maple Story? What's that? Aw, Lil G? Well, thank you. I hope that comes true because that would be amazing. Hey Rachel, what up? How's it going? High probability, medium. I mean, I guess I love tech. Find the happy middle. Ooh, here we go. So ironically, same range. And again, if I move this, let me quickly just draw the... Move this below the 50%. That also would have been a really good trade. Like I said, guys, I now just have to get over myself. Hey, there, that nice big flipping trade would have won. Hey, that would have been an awesome trade. Oh well. Like I said, I now need to just get over myself. It's a new week. Don't let the analysis paralysis get to me, and don't let the distrust of last week's market get to me. Last week's market, being as it was not great for my strategy at all. Stick with the trend, right? Stick with the trend. And that was a very big wick up, but never mind. It looks like it kind of wants to run away, but Let's stick with the trend. Let's try this. Let's just do 4. How big is this? Yeah. The itty bitty amount, but still. Might be a mistake after that little bit of a wick up. But to get over it, just take the trade. Win or loss, like I said, I've mitigated risk by quite a bit. This is a very small range with very little contracts that I've put in. So if it is a loss, I'm not losing a lot. If it's a win, I mean, I'm not winning a lot, but it's better than nothing. Hey, Envy, how's it going? Oh, Vishal, nice. Hey, David. Oh, it's going. I mean, it's not a bad thing that it's going. It just didn't come and get me before it went. How rude. I must just double check. Let's double check these higher. Oh, no, wait, actually, this is pretty decent. I got fair value gap around here. This is below 50% and I have the shelf. Okay, this is actually quite a nice one. Like I said, I must just breathe and trust it and get over it. Boom banana? What? Oh, you think it's just gonna keep going up. You don't think it's gonna even come back down and get me. Justin, sorry, this is the MNQ, so the Nasdaq futures, but the micros? Oh, Envy, you know what? I cannot complain. I went and I did some karaoke on a Saturday night. That was very entertaining. Yeah. Always good to put yourself out there now and then and test your boundaries. This is not promising. Let me check something. 2 minute. Below the 50%. I'm sticking with it. I'm sticking with it. Let's see. Let's see. Aw, hey the Richie man, how's it going? David, I'm kind of curious. Hey MXM, how's it going? How are you? That's what I was trying to say. How was everyone's weekend, by the way? I feel very rude. I didn't even ask you guys. How was the weekend for everyone else? Was it amazing? Was it a relaxing, rejuvenating one? Oh, that's not promising, but I'm sticking with it, so. Oh. Let's see. It's now hands off. Going a little bit higher, waiting for it to close around the 50%. Let's see if it closes there. Because then I can move to break even. 30 seconds to go. Nope, it felt my excitement. Like I said. "20 seconds. I'm just waiting for the close. Right, only true trader? That was an awesome. So I'm hoping there's a decent bounce. Let's see. I mean, I'm pretty sure I can move this to break even now, but... I mean, yeah, if it's hit that level... There, I've given myself a little bit for the commission. Oof, there is quite a strong resistance, you are correct. But if it gets me now, it's break even, it's fine. But that was a very nice little jump off of that area. So I'm super rejection, not jump, rejection off of that area. Sorry, let's use professional terms, right? We are learning. We don't want to be baby trader, however. Yeah, Envy, this is... Let me not talk just yet. But yeah, this is actually pretty decent. That's why I said London is actually sometimes so much fun to trade. And sometimes New York is rubbish, and then other days London's rubbish and New York is amazing. It just depends on the day. Aw, man. Normally when it gets to around that level, it's keeps going up. Aw, it's gonna be a break even, isn't it? Yep. Yep. And not yet. Close. Hey, Jason the Hole, how you doing? D? Go on then, explain. Well, not explain. That sounds rude. How long have you been trading for, D, out of curiosity? Only true trader, you are not always wrong. Oh my goodness. Ooh, okay, cheers, boom. Yeah, you seem super tired, so. Ooh, okay. Okay, so break even it is for me. Ah, that's a bit of a bummer. Oh well. But we can live with the break even. Like I said, I'm really glad. So this is where the A+ setup really worked beautifully. I had the shelf, I had the fair value gap, and I had an order block as protection, and it did bounce off of that beautifully. Is this where David's gonna come in and be like, I told you so? David, are you there? Is this what you were waiting for? Listen, I'm not gonna be upset about a break even. Hey, it's like 72 cents. Winning. Okay, break even. Like I said, I'm not upset about a break even. Oh, this is the dub that David was waiting for. Sorry. I don't know, I'm like way too chuffed about that. I just think it's really, really funny. Might have a quick, short scalpy. Go for it, Jace. Let's see. Super Egg TV, what about this trade in general? Just trading. I think if you make it fun, it can be fun. Damn, D, okay. Helicopter gunship, I feel like I missed something. Oh, that's great. I feel like I missed a lot. Damn. Don't know what happened there. Clearly missed something. Also, I'm not a freak monster. Just putting it out there. Ah, Jason Hall. Right. Rachel, how do I find it? Well, I mean, I have no complaints. Again, I'm still very new, but I mean, obviously, it kind of sucks. We only have a few that, well, there's more available to us than we think, but I know not all of them are available to us. D? 846. Interesting. This is where my entry would have been, around the 844 level. Why 846? You kind of have to tell me why. You can't just say enter at that level. %, yes. I know, that's true. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. David, nice. Two algos keep fighting right hits. Okay. Only true trader? Thank you. Yeah, 100%. The ones that I'm affiliated with are all allowed in South Africa, which is awesome sauce. And yes, I just said awesome sauce. I'm aware that that is super lame, but with going with it. There's 846. I would have missed it by a tick. Okay, before I just go in on this, let me confirm. 2 minute. Ew. I don't like that for the 2 minute. Minutes not bad. Let's check the 5 minutes for this. Ooh, okay. The 5 minutes not bad for this trade. My toe has fallen asleep. Not my foot, my toe. Just my one single toe has fallen asleep. I mean, there's a very decent fair value gap. Sorry, this is the 1 minute. D, it missed your level though. It missed it by a tick, but it missed your level. Wouldn't have got me in. Yes. Hey Frankie, how are you doing? Oh, I love tech. Nice, 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 nice. Hey Black Rose. Yeah, there's a few really good trading books. You just missed the giveaway, sorry. High and high low, you are bullish. And D, you think it's bearish now. Why do you think it's bearish now? But D, are you entering long or short? Someone, no, this is Nasdaq futures. Ooh, okay, there we go. There we go. Ah, man. Sugar honey iced tea. That's annoying. Dylan, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, and on this side that I do not even have. Should probably be watching that. I have the ES. Sorry. That was very naughty of me, maybe. Ooh, only two trader. I will pop you an email. I will pop you an email. That's what I'm gonna do. Yes. Let me pop you an email. Then you can pick which book, and then we can send it your way. So, night. So you think the only thing missing is the context? Okay. Which context in specific? I feel like I maybe missed one up there that's a little bit higher, but which context in specific are you talking about? Are you talking about when it's taken some liquidity and it's going back down? Which context are you referring to? Sorry, I don't know if that's a dumb question. I'm genuinely curious because obviously I want this to be a winning strategy. Yeah, like I said, I was aware that this could have not worked out, but it was still pumping very well because of the fact that it had just taken the new high and it just taken some of the liquidity. So I was actually expecting a bit more of a bounce as it took here, but it did not, which was interesting. Oh, only true trader. That's so exciting. Okay. Don't worry, I got you. Yeah, so yes. So I use some ICT and SMC indicators for my strategy as confirmation, or shall I say I use the confluences as confirmation for A+ setups. Like I said, this one actually was good. It just didn't come far enough down to get me. It is what it is. And let's see if a lower high is forming now. And it is indeed going to stop being bearish. I don't know. I think this is going to keep climbing. Just personally, I just have a feeling it might just keep climbing. No, Kofu Trading. No, not yet. I'll pop you an email and then you can pick and it will then be ordered. Dylan, 40%. Don't look at last week though. Last week was horrendous, for lack of a better word, but the markets were doing weird and wonderful things that just, they didn't work for the strategy I use. So that was a bit yucky. Okay. Okay, no. Still bull flagging on the 5-minute. Ooh, interesting, Rachel. Thanks. David, why would I not ask you why? Like, where are you getting the information from? And Rachel, we have a pivot point right above us. Oh, I love tech. Explain why. What's it doing? Yeah, only two traders. So, oh, flip. One of my indicators were. I'm gonna have to pop them back up now. When I was on TradingView, like I said, I'm now on Project X, so I have to get all my things back. Was trading sessions, which are now not here. Which apparently Project X does not have, so I'm just gonna have to manually put them in. So I do normally, I didn't mark, where was it? The New York low was down here, if I'm not mistaken. Nope, that's not the New York low. Also not the New York low. That I drew like an absolute nitwit. Here we go. Down there. Okay, okay. Higher low. We got a higher low. Let's see if it continues. My analysis. Of course I can. So let's do this one that was a break even. No, let's do this one that would have been a winning trade, rather. No, I mean, I can show you both. Because then it just sounds like I'm being a little bit biased. So normally, so I did do a little bit of back testing, not a lot. This weekend, unfortunately, was really busy. So I didn't have a lot of screen time, which I guess is not a bad thing. But unfortunately, it does mean I wasn't able to do as much back testing as I would have liked. So normally, this trade I would have done just bottom of the range to top of the range, which you see, it still would have been a win. It still would have worked out. But what I needed to backtest and what I did a little bit of backtesting on were the order blocks and trying to be at 50% of the order block for my stop loss. Well, my stop loss must be above or below the 50% of the order block. So that's why this was moved down for purposes that the order block then was another confluence. Let's go in a little bit more while we're waiting for this to decide if it's dumping down. Sorry, I'm just gonna keep double checking here and there. Oh, okay. It is indeed going down, but now it looks like there's a minor, well, at least on the 1 minute, break of structure, but let's see. Now, enter long at 843 for entertainment purposes. Anyways, so with this trade, if I'm not mistaken, it was the 5 minute where I got a good confirmation with regards to this trade. Was it? Yes. I had liquidity right below here, right by where the entry was. There were fair value gaps. Not great ones, but there were some. No? Yep. There's a fair value gap as well, right by the liquidity for the entry, as well as, again, not the best order block, but there is indeed an order block, as well as a shelf as a protection, if you will. And then just market structure. When in doubt, go with market structure. I double checked the 15 minute and the 1 hour, and market structure was definitely bullish. So stick with bullish. Oh, the other thing, sorry, was VWAP. I forgot. VWAP was obviously now below. It was up there by that point, but when I when I marked it out, VWAP was there. And it did bounce off of VWAP. Sorry, I know I'm talking really quickly. I'm just watching what's happening here. Because this could actually be a decent one. Because I do indeed have VWAP on my side. Oh, it's 10. Oh my gosh, it's 10. For some reason, 10 o'clock is always crazy. The man himself, you had things to do, deals to make. That sounds like it comes from Sinbad the movie. Knight, you have a point. Did that come and grab some people's stop losses and now it's gonna go down? FX, what's the difference between a fair value gap and a breakaway gap? Genuinely, out of curiosity, I haven't really heard about a breakaway gap. That's why I'm still learning things, guys. Please don't think I'm good at this yet. I'm figuring things out still. Definitely. Ooh, hello. Holy moly. Cool. You don't normally see this in London. This is very interesting. Who was short? I'm so sorry. Green Emerald Frog, right? I was thinking that because I was like, ooh, look at this entry. Here, VWAP is beautiful. I do have an order block. I'll need to double check that. I think there's a decent order block here on a higher time frame. News candle, Rachel, nice. Yep, that was... If it had come down a little bit lower. No, well. Okay, what does price do with what does the market do with regards to that? The breakaway. Wait. What's it called? With the breakaway gap versus the fair value gap. Mullah. Hey Mullah, how you doing? David, what? No, these are fun. No, not at all. Don't stress. Don't stress. Hey, Bebo, how are you doing? How's it going? I'm waiting for it to actually break on ES. Oh, there we go. That's what I was waiting for. There might be a big retracement back down now. Nope. Maybe not. Maybe we are just running away today. Took liquidity on both NQ and ES, so this could be interesting. It could be a bit of a... Maybe this range is better. Not much of a difference. Very intense. Sorry guys. I'm deep in thought. Ria, why am I not eating bubblegum? Why would I be eating bubblegum? Green emerald frog. Sorry, I don't know why my brain was going yeah, it looks pretty decent. Let's see. How about bullish encounter? Ria, I know that, but why would I be chewing bubblegum or chewing gum? Hey, samesies. Oh, interesting. Thanks, FX. I guess. Right, this is just, I feel like, more confirmation of just stick with. Prefer it to be around here. Let's see. Just stick with the trend. Ooh. Not a fan of that, never mind. This actually is better. Sure. Pick the 5 minute. It's not terrible. Let's see. Let's see. This might be a bit large, but let's give it a go. Stick with 4 for today. How big is this? 8 points. Okay, see, decent, better. It retraces. Okay, let's see what happens. Mula, really? Why? Oh, green emerald frog. It's near your TP. Okay, keep me posted. Interesting, Yesh. You think so? Mr. Haslam, I'm going to be buying because, I mean, trend right now is bullish. Just stick with trend until told otherwise, I guess. Just always stick with trend. Why fight the market? David, yes. Thanks, FX. Yeah, I'll definitely have a check. Hey, Greg, what up? What do you mean? What's happening? Thanos, so I'm busy using Traderfire and I'm using Project X as well, so that everyone can join in on this journey, if you want to call it that. Bebo? Okay, cool. David, you think it's now going to be bearish? 100% FX. Trend is your friend. So until it stops, I'm gonna stick with it. And, you know, unfortunately, it might be that I'm in the stop. But like I said, I don't hate how this looks. It might just be a bit big. I'm just gonna watch because it is approaching some liquidity on the higher side. Let's see if it's gonna continue doing this. Only true trader 100%, and then you know. Oh, Greg, what's the rundown? So, sweet and simply, obviously I look for confluences. I look for fair value gaps. I call it a shelf as a bit of a blocker or breaker. VWAP, not with this one, unfortunately, because it's just running away. Order blocks, so there's a lot that goes into it. But in general, sweet and simply, the strategy is take the range, bottom of the range, top of the range, draw 50% of the range is entry, 30% of the 50% is where the stop loss is, and 2R up is TP. That very, very, very quick, brief rundown of what my strategy is. David, it's going up! Yes, this is the Nasdaq market. TP is 24649. Oh, wait, I'm on the wrong one. Sorry. Oh, okay, cool. Valid. Mind the gap fill below the entry. So it might want to come down here. Is that what I'm hearing? you don't think this will be enough space. I specifically put it so that it's below an order block. Like I said, I do listen sometimes. Oh no, this does not look great, but no, just get over myself. No, this is not a hedge fund. No. This is rather scalping. Yeah, this is scalping. Two, 4, 8, 5, 5. I see, but that's okay. Because it is still... Oh, this gap, I see. This might sound dumb, but is that... I've never actually been told that. Sorry, that's just very interesting. Does it work similar to an order block in a way? Like it kind of taps into it and goes up? Sorry, see, I've learned something new. Thank you. Thanks for that. And David still thinks bearish. I don't know. I don't know, David. I don't know if... Let's see. I mean, the volume has slowed down now. No denying that. This looks like it could be a little bit risque. Oh, watch it go up now. Did it also hit something on ES? I need to check that out. Muller, right? Thank you. I'm agreeing with Muller here. I think it's searching for that high. It's gonna keep popping up until it's taken that high. Hey Redo, how's it going? And Real Ghost, hey. See, now that is very, very interesting. And I did not know that was a thing. Like I said, you always learn something new. Ooh, okay, green emerald. Right. Just come get me before you go up, and then you can continue on the upward trend. Like I said, I will then keep a very big eye out for ES when it does take this liquidity at the 6728 level. When it takes that, I'm out. So I think that's what it's searching for. Interesting. Yeah, there's the gap, filled it. Is it gonna keep going down now? Is it gonna go up? Real Ghost, I have only been trading since April, so I'm still, okay. I'm still new. This is not promising, but I'm leaving it. I'm sticking with it. I'm sticking with it. As scary as it is, I'm gonna stick with it. Where am I from? Okay, I'm from South Africa. David, that's interesting. Is that purely what you trade off of? Just that? What? 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 I mean, there's a lot of resistance right here. I'm not going to deny that. Rural sheepdog sheep. Interesting name. looks like it's going to drop. I'm hoping it's just going to retrace. Because why at this level? Does anyone know? Maybe you can let me know. Did something happen in particular at this level? Maybe something hit on ES? But I'm agreeing with Muller in the sense that I think it's headed for this liquidity. On ES, I'm kind of hoping it comes to get me before it goes there. I don't know if it will. Ellie, what indicators do you use? Or Eli, sorry. And Dennis, you are short 876. Okay. Nice. You are short now. Where's your TP at? Give me a second. Algo box. No, I have not heard about it. Is that what you use? And Patrick, you think sell now? It's inside. Oh, thank you, Bean. I appreciate that. Let's see, I'm still... I don't know if hopeful is the right word, but let's say hopeful. I'm still not hating this. Like I said, if the gap pulls down here, then it hasn't triggered my stop loss yet. And VWAP is slowly picking up. So, I mean, maybe I can move this a little bit further down if we want extra level of support so that VWAP is there. For an even greater... don't know what you would want to call it. But we can do that. Let's just move this down a little bit so we have VWAP. There. Done. Done. Then we have gap fill, VWAP, and order block as well as confluence, right? Then that should be a pretty decent entry if it is going to go back up. If it's just going to keep going down, then it is what it is. Let's see, if it hits where my entry was, I'm going to be a little bit bummed. Where was my entry? Nope. Absolute shop. There we go. I'm going to keep this up for curiosity's sake. So my entry would have been here. If it does go down, it most likely will go down a little bit further. So let's see. No lies, just flip a coin. Yep. Let's have a look, see. Ram, I did not have a loss. I had a break even. Aha. If anything, I had a win. I'm up 72 cents. But ooh, David, okay. See. Right, Knight, that's the thing. I think let's see. Like I said, the confluences with this one is really good. I'm kind of curious to see if it's going to hit this. So this is where the entry was. I moved it a little bit lower due to VWAP, because you can see VWAP would have been right by where the stop loss is. So to make it a better setup, I literally moved it down so that my stop loss is beneath VWAP. It's below the gap. It's still in the fair value gap, but let me double check the 5 minute. I mean, the entry's not bad. This entry's a little bit better, but this entry is not bad. So let's see. If it's gonna come get me, I don't know. But point is that I took it regardless, so it's fine. Yeah, 100%. Goes, I like that. Those gaps are the little gifts of the chart. Hey, Sol Goodman. What zone am I trading? Are you asking if I'm in South Africa? Or are you asking the London market? So I'm in South Africa trading London. And it's raining cats and dogs. I saw my best friend tried to message me, which was a bit... made me a little bit nervous. Okay, no, there's no message. We're fine. Sorry, so she's pregnant, so I was a bit nervous there. Oh, thank you, Jerome. It's apexing. Next move is violent, probably. John, what up? Why, wow. To the tick, Friday, 19 September. Mula, that's interesting. So this might be the revert. Oh, maybe not. It kind of looks like it's stuck in a range again, which is not great. So yes, it could either then just start shooting up, or this could be where it drops down. So while we're waiting, let's have a violent pop noise. Sean, no wins. Well, I'm in the green by 72 cents. I had a break even. So I know break evens aren't great, but it's better than a loss. So I had a break even this morning, which makes me happy because I've been having just red last week. Last week was shocking. So to at least have a break even is pretty good. I'm not gonna complain about it. Ooh, go on, Greg. Do it. Oh, David, nice. MP officials, hi, we're trading the Nasdaq futures. If you can't see clearly, it might be because you're in the vertical stream. If you want to go into the horizontal where you can see a little bit better, just pop onto my YouTube stream. You'll see there's 2 lives. Go onto the one with the thumbnail. That's the horizontal. You can then see the charts better. David, see how it blew out of the apex? Yes. But the question is always, how do you know which direction it's going to blow out of? That sounds weird. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. Sean, do I earn? No, not yet. I'm still new. I've only been trading since April. And like I said, last week, unfortunately, was really bad. Last week was not great for me. So let's see. This week appears to potentially be better. But let's see what happens. Why? What did I do? What did I do? But I was saying something. Did someone ask how South Africa was? No, I did not. I loved it. I did not. Ooh, good question. How do you separate emotions out of trading and control the losses? So it took me a while. When I started trading, like I said, in April, I did not. The emotions were everywhere. It was not great. I think I actually only started to take the mental part seriously in August, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So, yeah. I think I only started to take the mental side of things really seriously in August. So I haven't been practicing a lot. So you'll see sometimes I do mess it up. And that is on me. It's the discipline that comes with it. So number one, mitigating risk if you're not feeling super confident. And then when you start to get your confidence, obviously you can then start going for a little bit more. But mitigate risk, try to look for those A+ setups. So have a set of rules and stick to your rules. That's where I sometimes mess up because I kind of go, this looks fine. Don't do that. Yeah, a lot of it is just risk management, and you just have to have the mentality. Well, for me, it helps me to think that it's never a losing trade. It's always a lesson, right? You can always learn something from a trade. If it's a loss, why was it a loss, right? Yeah, I think that's just what's helped me. Because normally I was just like, well, I've lost now, I'm just pathetic, and then you can't have that mindset because it sucks. And especially after last week, where last week was very much red. Like I even said this morning, I said, I'm going to be very hesitant going into any of these trades because I'm not trusting the market, which is not great. But it's why I'm happy that I took this trade. I know it was a break even, but I'm glad I just took it because I've done it before where I was having a losing streak and then I missed like 5 winning trades because I was just doubting it completely. So the fact that I took one today, for me, is already a win. This is annoying. Check. Damn it, this would have been a really good trade. Except it is by this resistance level, which means it could have wicked out. And I do not like to chop in the trade. What? To chop in the trade? No, to trade in the chop. But check, this would have been such a good one. Had an awesome wick down. This would have been below. This would have been below this little gap here. That would have been a beautiful winning trade in like 3 seconds. Damn it. I saw that just too late. However, I mean, it could have gone either way. It could have just kept going down. Consolidation at resistance. Is that bullish or bearish? Green Emerald Frog? I'm not 100% sure. It means there's a lot of sell pressure. So are they now just gonna be wicking to get people out for the massive movement down? That is a possibility. But I mean, the fact that it hasn't broken below also makes me think that there's quite a bit of buying pressure as well. So it could go either way. I still really think it wants to go for this liquidity on ES personally. But again, what do I know? Bipin, your comment, let me see. Hello, Bipin, how are you? Love from India, cool. Love from South Africa, how are you? How's it been going? How's the trading? Sorry, I went on a proper rant there. Sorry about that, guys, but I hope that helped with some of the questions. So consolidation at resistance you interpret as bullish. Interesting, why? I mean, yeah, that kind of sucked. I don't know if it's gonna come back in to come and get me, unfortunately. And I missed that trade, but it's fine. helps giving me a little bit more confidence that my strategy, potentially touch wood, is going to work this week. How much did I make from my last trade? My last trade that was a break even, I made 72 cents. Woohoo! Winning, guys. Oh, yeah, 100% Muller. That's why I have my little 2-hour setup, and I try not to be greedy. I said maybe one day when I'm super confident, I might try push it for maybe a 2.5, 3 hour, but I'm not there yet. Hey, Markino, how you doing? I mean, everything is right here. I don't know if you can see it. Some of you can't. I'm sorry, vertical stream can't see it. Oh, only 2 trader. Okay, interesting. See, so this I find interesting. The fact... Sorry. I always find it very interesting to see how people that have been trading for years... It sounds very rude. I'm not saying it disrespectfully. Please don't think I'm saying that. Still do not know. Like, someone will say, nah, it's going to be bullish now. Another person will say, nah, it's going to be bearish. Just because you guys are seeing things differently doesn't make either of you wrong. I just find it interesting. It makes me feel better. Am I only looking at the 1 minute? Right now, yes, Ian, for confirmation of structure, I do double check. Ooh, there's a little gap. I do double check the 15-minute and 1 hour for confirmation of trade. So I go and look for confluences. I confirm via the 5 or the 3-minute chart. No, my mods aren't here today. Where? Where are my mods at? Right. Blub. I don't think my mods are here. Hey Wayne, bro. What am I trading? Good question. My will to live. No, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Currently. I don't think this is going to come back down for me before it takes out the high. I'm going to keep this set up for curiosity purpose. I know it's quite annoying and it's there, so I'm just going to hide those for now while we look at a potential second trade. Guys. Oh, do you think I'm gonna say water weirdly? Sorry, I'm from South Africa. I don't have an accent. Well, I do, but just not that accent. You trade crypto. Interesting. Oh, 100% David. Yeah, it's very much. Oh my gosh. Shoot, I cannot ban him. Where are my mods? None of my mods are here today. Oh, interesting. And anyways, point is, it is going up. Just saying. D, be respectful, please. We are here to help each other out, not be mean. Honestly, guys. Wait, can I? Oh, maybe I can. No. No, he's not on. He's on the wrong stream. I can't get him. damn it. I can't go and get him. Does anyone on the vertical stream that I can create as a mod want to hop over? Jason the Hole, how about you? Can I make you a mod and you hop over and go and ban... What's his face? Where is he? Oh, maybe he's gone. Let's see, maybe he's gone. Markino, I know, except my chat for the horizontal is not here on my stream. I have the chat for the vertical. I do not have my horizontal chat open, so I cannot, unfortunately. No, he's back. If he was on the vertical, I would have been able to. I think my strategy would be good for swing trading. It could be. Like I said, I mean, check. So I missed this one, which would have been a bummer, because that would have been an awesome... Okay. I'm just going to delete these. I know where they were. That would have been an awesome win. Here, let's move this up. This now. Oh, this would have been a loss. Oh, no, I lie. There. It would look like that. That would have been a win. So we can give this a try. Oh, no. Let's see if it comes back down one last time. If it comes back... Nope. Never mind. I'm too late. It's tapped into that liquidity on ES. Like I said, I will go hands off once it taps into that liquidity on ES because I think it was searching for that. Now that it has it, it might change to bearish, but I need a confirmation that it's either going to continue bullish or it might come back down now. So I'm a little bit too late. I was waiting for that tap into the liquidity on ES and it just took it, which means there could be quite a big retest now, or it could just keep going down. Let's, like I said, wait, let's, if you want to hop in, wait. Seven, 3, 4. Are you asking this level? No? Down a bit more. Wait, I'll check now. Interesting, Thumper. Okay, and? Green Emerald Frog, what? Did what happen before? Going for $300. Nice, okay. Let me see, surely there's a way. No, 100%. 100%. I don't think there's such thing as a strategy that's 100%. I'm very much in that opinion. Well, how do I say this without being rude? I think anyone who says their strategy is 100% win rate is lying. Yeah, just completely lying. let's see. So, wait. Who thinks it's gonna just keep going up? Why is horizontal being weird today? Normally it's vertical. That's all types of interesting. There we go. I know who my guys are. Cool. Dee, didn't you say it was going to be bearish just now? Blitz, no, I don't mind you asking at all. So I've only been trading since April, so I am still new. Yeah. I'm not going to pretend that I've been doing this forever and ever and I'm absolutely amazing, because I'm not. David, 100%. So even with a 1 to 2 hour, your win rate actually only has to be 40%. And then you're good to go. Hey, Mental Master. Hi, how you doing, by the way? And Ed, how's it going? Like I said, I'm waiting for confirmation purely because of the fact that it did take the liquidity on ES. It's just what I'm waiting for. It's just my way of mitigating risk. I just need confirmation that we are indeed going to keep going up. Yes, Rachel. Yeah. Matty, are you asking if I'm South African? Because, yes, I am. I am South African. Ooh, interesting, Wayne. And how's it been going for you? Oh, no, I do not gamble. Well, I try not to. Oh, interesting, Blitz. Interesting. Why? Oh my gosh, sorry. I see I've missed quite a bit. Oh. So if I did place this trade, it would have missed me by a tick. That would have been fun. Lots and lots of fun to deal with. Give me 2 seconds, guys. My dog is asking me to quickly go outside even though it's raining. But I'll be right back. Give me 2 seconds. Watch this trade. Let's see. If it does keep going up, then well done, guys. Called it. Okie dokie. Well, oh, hello. Okay, it has just gone all the way up. Amazing. Markano, yes, 100%, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Oh my god. I got you. Here we go. There we go. Have fun. Only true trader? Yeah, 100%. But let's see. Right, stick with trend. Is this going to come back down far enough? Probably not. It kind of looks like it's running away now, which is fine. Let's see if it's gonna just keep going up or not. I'm gonna set this. Let's set this. Let's set this. Again, I'm gonna mitigate risk a little bit. I'm only gonna put 4 contracts. And I want to double check. Ooh, okay. The 5 minutes, not bad. If it comes that far down, though, I don't know if it's gonna come this far down. Let's see. It might come this far down, it might not. Entry a little bit higher would probably be a little bit better, but it is what it is. Wayne, yeah, sorry, I'm looking for longs because I'm okay. Stick with trend, right? Just stick with trend. Thanks, Austin. Tell him. Has it closed? Oh, cool. So it closed above 50%, which means I'm going to be a little bit cheeky. I'm going to put this a little bit higher. Break even. Oh, please. Oh, please. Come on. Let the losing streak be gone. Bye-bye. Is this going to go back up? Yeah, Nicholas, it filled me. I'm in this, guys. That little wick down was amazing. And let's see, normally if it crosses over the white line, it tends. Not always. Listen. There we go. What? Why am I still in this? I do not know why I'm still in this, but we are still in this for some reason. And I'm going to close that. Cool. There we go. I had a win. Oh my gosh. Freaking finally. Okay, cool. Guys, losing streak is over. We can all do a flipping happy dance. The losing streak. I'm sorry, I'm going to be a little bit crude right now, but the losing streak can kiss my ass. Let's do this. That was... See. That was an awesome trade. I had my confluences, I had an order block, I had a fair value gap. It came, ticked me in, and straight up for a win. That was awesome. That was a win in literally 2 minutes. Okay, we're going. I know I didn't get a lot. I did, like I said, this is a little bit the doubting after last week, but a win is a win. Thanks, guys. Oh, hey, Sam. Yeah. Wayne, what did I make? Oh, no, I only made like $46. Like I said, not a lot, but win is a win. I'm not going to complain. I think he would be proud, thank you. D, it didn't tag that level. Yeah, I told you that a while ago. It didn't tag into that because you said 864. Yeah? No, 866. No, what level did you say? Pretty sure you said 864. Because the 864 level is here. It missed that level. By a tick. Granted, it missed it by a tick. But it did miss it. Jason the Hole, hi, what's up? What happened? What did I do? I see an alright thumbs up. Is that a hell yeah? Oh, thank you. Right before the consolidation. I'll find where it was. The blue here, is that what you're asking? Like, it's why you hate scalping, why? 100%, Wayne, 100%. Like I said, I had a very awful week last week. So I'm not going to be upset about having a win. Even if it was a small win, a win is a win. Jane, 249. 929? Oh my gosh, okay. That's cool. Holy moly. I love tech. Thank you. Only true trader, like I said, I really think it depends on the day, but I mean, this day was just awesome. I know I missed this trade. This one would have also been a win. I saw it too late. It is what it is. Austin? Nice. Thank you. Yeah, no, I agree. Breaking the losing streak, getting confidence back in this market, and then the price action. Like I said, last week's price action that was a little bit all over the place was, yeah, basically just took my confidence, rolled it into a little ball, stepped on it a few times, and then threw it in the rubbish. Only true trader, thank you. Yeah, guys, if you wouldn't mind liking this stream, that would be amazing. Come here for the weirdness. As you can see, there's some weirdness that happens. The learning, 100%. Thanks, High Life. Right. But definitely the learning, even if you guys aren't learning, believe me, I'm learning every single time I'm here. I learn something new, which I find amazing. Blitz, no, yes and no. So I say 3 losses and I'm done for the day. But in general, no, I try to maybe call it when I'm 4R up for the day as well. So, you know, maybe 2 or 3 wins. Yeah, but in general, no, there is no limit for the amount of trades I place in a day. I obviously try to be reasonable about it. I don't want to be gambling, and I do give myself a break between sessions. So, I mean, I'm gonna hop off soon, now that it's about to go up to take this liquidity. But I'm gonna hop off soon. That'll be my break for the day. I'm gonna go to the stables, even though it's raining today, so I won't be able to do much. It's still a break where I can just sit, get away from the screen for a minute, think about everything, organize my brain cells, and get ready for the New York session. Wayne, yeah, don't worry, it's done that before. Majestic Traveler, teach you something? No. Opposite way around here, my guy. It's teach Maya trading, not Maya teaches trading, because I am not qualified to be teaching anyone trading. Not even close. Nikos, it sounds like it's raining everywhere. Hi, Life, you said it was raining by you also, right? D, am I rich? No. But yes, I have horses. Well, a horse. I have a horse. And then I work someone else's horse, so I work 2 horses. Hey, okay, cool, Wayne. Well, you know. Okay, serious, Muller. So it's just raining everywhere. It's a rainy day, guys. That's fine. I don't think I'll ever complain about rainy days. I do enjoy rainy days. Damn. I mean, it's hitting that resistance level, but still, check. Oh, actually, this would have been a break even. Would have gone up here, broken above. That would have been a break even trade. Yeah. Not a win. D. Oh, really? So no, I do not own the stable. No. No. I do not own the stable. I wish. Maybe that's the goal, guys. Maybe one day when I am big and I've learned, I don't think you can ever learn enough when it comes to trading, but one day when I'm bigger, I can actually have my own stable, because that would be amazing. I really, when it comes to people and trusting them with my horses, it takes a lot. Ah, okay, no rain in Texas. Sorry. You have olive trees. Oh, that's nice. That's beautiful. I'll tell you about the horses. Oh, listen, I can do one better. I can show you some videos. I mean, if you go check out some of my shorts, you can see a hint of my pony here and there. Austin, yeah, 100%. So, Green Emerald Frog, do you then work? I'm assuming. Yes? Well, obviously. Oh, okay, David. Not saying. I'm curious. Ah, no rain in New York. Ah, sorry. Wait, New York? What time is it there for you, Jane? Are you not exhausted? Hell yeah, Wayne. Listen, and this is, believe it or not, it's a little bit chaotic today. I don't know where all my mods are. It's a bit chaotic today, sorry about that, but in general, we are a very loving and supportive community. You must hop back on for the New York session. It's, to be fair, I thoroughly enjoy both sessions. I only started trading London, I think September? So I actually haven't been trading London that long. No, that's not right. Let's say middle of August, I actually started trading London session. But it hasn't been terrible. I've actually been enjoying it. Envy? Nice. Envy, you sound like you're living the dream. Jane, 5 a.m. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, anyways. Do you guys not like sleep? Just question. Yeah, when I don't do the Asia session. I think that's, the price action is just a little bit too slow for me. But I mean, you saw London session today. Don't get me wrong, this is not how London is every day. London sometimes has not so great days. But in the same breath, so does New York. So some days I prefer London over New York. And then other days I'm like, London is absolute rubbish. And then New York is actually really good. So trading both actually kind of helps. You tend to then have fun on either one. Some days they both trash and then just don't trade that day, right? It's day trader, not everyday trader. Hey, M Woodsy, how's it going? And Silverthorn, hey, what's up? David, well, let's see, looks like it. MMH, I'm sorry, I'm not ignoring you. Oh, there you are. I'm from South Africa. So it is 11 a.m. for me right now. 11:02 to be exact, but yeah, it's 11 a.m. here. So I'm gonna give it, let's say 2 more minutes, and then I'm gonna call it for today. Because like I said, I need to go have a little bit of a breather. Hey, David, yeah, looks like you can keep it. Looks like you're good. Interesting. Okay. Sorry. I nearly died, but we're okay. Only true trader, it's not really. I think it's because I got you guys here, kind of keep me in check, and then I have fun. So you see, like now, I haven't really been looking at the chart. I've been chatting to you guys, and yeah. You thought I was a nun. Sorry, is it the outfit for today? I get it, my bad. So, and then on the weekends, I tend to try and stay away from the screen. Obviously, if I want to do some backtesting, I'll quickly hop on, but I try not to spend too long on the screen. So, like this weekend, luckily, there was some sun yesterday, so I went to the beach. I actually got a little bit of a tan. Amazing. The benefits of being half Portuguese, you can go there and you actually get a little bit of a tan. Unfortunately, I was wearing the wrong bikini, so I have a bit of a weird tan line, but that's a whole other random story. Sorry, I got traded. I got distracted. What I was trying to say. And Marco knows back. No. Green Emerald Frog, yeah, I mean, if you want to do a short now for a quick scalp, potentially it could be decent. Really? David? That's very... Do you know how many people have asked if I am from Australia? A lot. Hey! Okay, cheers, let's hopefully see you later. Hello from Portugal! Hello! I wonder if we're related. I've come to realize that, yeah. Yes, there's a lot. Oh, thank you. No, I have not. And hello from Morocco, hi. Do I trade in crypto? No. Yes, Jane, the horses, like I said, the horses help me, number one, just get outside. So it's raining today, but I'm still gonna go there, even if it's just to spend some time with them. Even though they are absolutely crazy and they need work, but it is what it is. Can't force the rain, can't force the rain to stop. Okay, as you can see, I'm starting to talk rubbish, so I'm gonna call it there. Farm girl, I mean, yeah, I was basically raised as a farm girl. Ah, interesting. I'm an Aussie African hybrid, so I'd fit in if I go to Australia. Is that what I'm hearing? Anyways, on that note, guys, I'm gonna call it there. Thanks, MMH. Yes, Markano, obviously Markano. I am here every day, London and New York session. So I'll be back, hopefully, guys, just hopefully. Like I said, last week was just testing me, but yeah, I'll be back for the New York session this afternoon for me, maybe early in the morning for wherever you guys are right now. But I love you guys madly. That was good. You'll gamble with me. Okay. That was good. I'll see you guys then for the New York session. I had tons of fun. At least we are up, right? We went up. Hey, David, it's going up. I can see it. I'm just saying. David, just saying. Anyways, moving on. I love you guys madly. I'll see you for the New York session. Okay. I love you guys. Bye. And